Hey guys, it is Bubba Diecast here, and today I got 3 Hot Wheels monster trucks, 1 Hot Wheels premium car, 2 Hot Wheels cars, and 1 Matchbox car. This is the Hot Wheels monster trucks Buzz Lightyear versus Zurg Demolition Doubles. There's some others on the back. We got Super Mario Bowser. There's some others at the Volkswagen Drag Bus, Town Hauler, Shark Reek, HW Empty Taxi, Bigfoot, SpongeBob SquarePants, Race Ace, and Bowser. There are trademarks of Volkswagen, Firestone, and Nintendo. We got the 1994 Bugatti EB110. Which is from the Exotic Envy car culture, and it's number 4 out of 5. There's some others at the 1969 Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale, Koenigsegg Agera R, Lamborghini Azenza SCV12, 1994 Bugatti EB110, and the McLaren Speedtail. I see a code right there, R28. This is new for 2022. This is a rekiller of the 1986 Toyota van. This is from HWJ Imports. This is number 7 out of 10. And this is number 173 out of 250. It says, born 1986, Japan, designer Toyota. A popular compact travel van, this family-friendly vehicle can turn on a dime. Travel with all the car comforts for any road adventure. A dream collection of Japanese domestic market vehicles. There's Toyota trademark right there. We got a rekiller of the Dodge Challenger drift car. This is from HW Drift. This is number 3 out of 5. And this is number 207 out of 250. Vehicles that don't see corner stops, obstacles, but opportunities. There is Dodge, Mopar, BF Goodrich, and Formula Drift trademark right there. This is the Matchbox 1962 Volkswagen Beetle, which is number 93 out of 100. And there's Volkswagen logo right there on the top. There is the Volkswagen trademark on the back. I see a code right there, R27. So that'll be it, and I'll see you in the next video.